how to use and add vocal remover effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is select your audio. Select it like this, and now click on effect and go down, click here, and you will be able to manage your vocal remover from here. As you can see, you can manage all those settings. After you finish, click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.